Hi guys, Roseanne White from LIVFITT, and today I'm going to share a recipe for you so you never feel deprived. You know, it's always nice to have treats that are healthy but yummy, and I really feel it's also about keeping your blood sugar stabilized. So today I'm going to share a super simple recipe, like all of them are that I create, that you can make and store in the freezer for when you're looking for that nighttime snack or maybe a midday snack. So here are the ingredients. We're going to be using a half a cup of vegan protein powder. I'm going to use a half a cup of old-fashioned organic rolled oats. I've grounded together pumpkin seed and sunflower seeds. You could do one or the other, and I like to grind them so they're a little, the texture is nicer. I've taken a half a cup of raisins, and I did soak them just so they're softer, but I made sure that they're not wet, so you want to squeeze all the water out. There's also going to be a half a cup of nut butter. I like to use sunflower butter, but use a nut butter of your choice, whether it's almond butter, cashew butter, even peanut butter. I don't usually use peanut butter. I tend to stick to sunflower butter. And we're going to also use about a quarter cup of local raw organic honey. Lastly, you can dash in some cinnamon powder and salt, and that's it. So let's begin. I'm going to take my protein powder, the half cup of old-fashioned rolled oats organic, pumpkin seed and sunflower seed, grounded. It's still got a lot of texture in it. You can see some parts of the seeds in there. I'm going to mix in the raisins that are nice and plump because I soaked them just for about 5-10 minutes in hot water. We're going to go ahead and scoop in the sunflower butter now. Kind of roll that through. We're going to add about a quarter cup of honey. The nut butter is sweet, the raisins are sweet, the protein powder has some sweetness in it, so there's plenty of yummy, good, healthy sweetness in it, but we're going to add a quarter cup of honey here. And then lastly, like I said, I'm going to just put a dash of cinnamon. I just love cinnamon. It's a great blood sugar stabilizer. So I'm going to throw a few dashes of cinnamon in and a couple dashes of salt because I also like that sweet and saltiness. We're just going to mix it up. So when I mix it up, you can see it gets pretty chunky and lumpy. So what I like to do is have some water handy when I roll these balls up. I'll get my fingers wet because they're pretty sticky. This will make anywhere between 18 to 20, about 1 inch size balls. So I'm just going to wet my fingers a little bit, grab a ball, and roll it. So there you have it. I made about 18 to 20 delicious protein snacks that you can enjoy maybe before a workout or for a nighttime treat. As a matter of fact, what I do is put about 4 balls in a baggie and put all these little baggies in the freezer, pop them in the freezer, and that way I can just take them out and enjoy them and they stay fresh longer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think. The recipe is just right below this video.